Hi, good day, guys. This is Jay from .comtruths.com support team, and today I'll be teaching you how to upload or import contacts via Zenler. So there's actually two ways. One is you can import individual users or a couple of them one by one, or you can do a bulk import or bulk upload. So you want to go to site first up here, and then click on people, and then you'll come up with this page. So if you want to add just one or a couple of um, contacts or users, you can click add user and you can add them manually here. You can provide their information, but this will take time. So there's a better way. You can click on import users. So this time, before doing this, you need to have your CSV file ready. Okay, so you can import it here, map the columns or the information, and you're all done. Before that, you need to download the sample CSV file that you can follow, because if you did not follow the exact format that Zenler wants you to do, it will reject the file. I'll show that to you in a minute. So let's say I have a previous software that I'm using in the past. I can actually export the contacts. So it looks like this. There are times that it's not arranged or it's maybe arranged. So uh, I downloaded the sample CSV file and I'm trying to upload it here just to show you. Okay, that's sheet 2. Let's try it. And let's say you can also select the role of the contacts here. Let's say it's a lead, student. Let's try student. There you go. When I click next, I got an error. It says here that invalid content format. So again, it's giving you the sample CSV file that you can download so you can copy it. All right, so when I downloaded it, it looks like this. Okay, so you need to at least copy the format on how Newsletter wants you to do it. So what I did that, I arranged it, I mapped it out, first name, last name, email, and of course you can add more information here and so on, depending on your preference. So I already downloaded this file here, and let's try to upload it. Let's select this one. Okay, you click next. There you go. It allowed us, so you can just select, the corresponding information. And again, if you added more, you'll have a long list here. Okay, and then you click next. You click add tag if you want to add a specific tag for this batch, or depending on your preference, so you can easily locate them later on. You can immediately assign a course. Okay, you can immediately assign a plan for them and funnels. And of course, you can click the box here for them to be notified via email. And you just click finish and wait for it to fully upload. It'll take a couple of minutes, but once that's done, you're all set. You'll be able to see them under here. You can click all, you can search them, filter, use the filter here and use the specific tag. Or if they're a student, you can click student and all the students will show up on this list. All right, I hope this helped, and feel free to contact us back if you have questions, clarifications, and we are more than happy to help. I wish you have a great day and you stay safe. Until next time, goodbye.